Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious. And if you love omelets, then you're gonna love omelet bites. We have 3 fantastic flavors for you today. Recently, bite-sized omelets have exploded in the fast food industry as the next trendy breakfast item. But why waste your money at the drive-thru when you can make these totally scrumptious, cost-effective, healthy treats at home? First thing you're gonna need is a muffin tin like this one. We're gonna make a dozen omelet bites. 3 fantastic options. Number 1, the Canadian maple bacon omelet bite. Number 2, the feta Mediterranean omelet bite. And number 3, the hot Western omelet bite. All of these are so scrumptious. They're great on the go, going to work snacks. Better than Tim Hortons, better than Starbucks. You might as well make your own and put your own love and food into it so it actually tastes like real food. We're gonna use 12 eggs for this. You can make smaller portions, but we're just gonna go full gusto and fill this tray. First, let's grease your muffin tin with olive oil or butter, whatever you got. Now in a mixing bowl, we're gonna assemble our first flavor, the Mediterranean or Greek, the Greek omelet. We're gonna use zucchini, black olives, and feta. We're gonna crack 4 eggs. Then you're gonna grab your electric mixer, or you can use a fork if you don't have one, and beat until well combined. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it all up again. Add your feta, olives, and zucchini. I also added some onions in there. Add some pepper to taste. Continue to mix it all up. Now carefully pour your mixture into 4 muffin tins. Fill them just up right before the edge. Try and spread your ingredients out evenly among the 4 tins. Up next, we have my personal favorite, the bacon maple infused Canadian omelet bite. If you want to know how to make absolutely mind-blowing bacon, check out our how to make bacon video in the description below. We got some great tips on how to make bacon that's going to separate the boys from the men. Add another 4 eggs, only 1 tablespoon of milk this time, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now add some garlic and some shredded Monterey Jack. That is looking so tasty. Mix it up. Disperse those bacon bits evenly so nobody gets jealous. This is by far my most favorite flavor. So good. And last but certainly not least, the Western omelet bite. This is so delicious paired with salsa or a busy morning routine. 1 tablespoon of milk, mix it up, hint of cumin, hint of chili powder, jalapenos, red pepper, and sriracha. Some onions to top it off. And some cheese, of course. We're almost done. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven for roughly 25 minutes at 350 degrees. These omelet bites are so satisfying, amazing on-the-go snacks, and it beats anything that you get at the drive-thru. Now we're gonna let these cool 5 to 10 minutes, and they are just looking so lovely. They are gonna deflate a little bit. They should come out fairly easy. And look at that. And if you're particularly fond of one flavor,
feel free to make a whole batch of just that. Just keep in mind it's 1 egg per muffin tin. You can freeze these bad boys. There's no need to eat them all at once. However, you might not be able to stop yourself.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. Hit that little bell right there if you liked what you saw. We're continuously trying to come out with better quality, better sound, better video, better content.